Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll show you how to set up and customize the Facebook Testimonial section in your Shopify store. The Facebook Testimonial section helps you showcase real customer reviews, comments, and social proof directly from your Facebook page, building trust and boosting conversions instantly. Accessing the section. To access the Facebook Testimonial section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Then navigate to Templates and locate the Facebook Testimonial section. To enable or disable this section, go to Theme Settings, then open Professional Widgets. Once enabled, return to Templates and select the Facebook Testimonial section. To add it, click Add Section. Search for Facebook Testimonial and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the Facebook Testimonial section will be displayed. Desktop. The section appears only on desktop or laptop devices. Mobile. The section appears only on mobile devices. Both. The section displays across all devices for maximum visibility. Use container size to control how wide the Facebook Testimonial section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. Set the number of columns on desktop from 1 to 6, depending on how many testimonials you want per row. Choose how testimonial images are displayed. Select Inherit to use your theme's default image ratio, or choose from 16 to 9, 3 to 2, 4 to 3, 1 to 1, 3 to 4, or 2 to 3 to match your preferred image layout. You can further refine how your images are displayed using crop position, ensuring the most important part of your image always stays in focus. Available options include Inherit, uses global theme settings. Top left, top center, top right. Focuses on the upper portion of the image, useful for faces or headlines. Middle left, middle center, middle right. Balanced framing for most content types. Bottom left, bottom center, bottom right. Highlights lower areas of the image, great for text overlays or product bases. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns, designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. You can choose from a variety of pattern styles, including none, curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. Each pattern offers a unique look from subtle geometric textures to more decorative and expressive designs. All background patterns come with the same set of customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, ensuring the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears. You can set a value between 4 pixels and 100 pixels, allowing for anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also fine-tune the opacity, with values ranging from 1% to 100%, to control the transparency of the pattern. Lower opacity creates a soft, subtle background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually striking. Under Enable slider, you can choose where the Facebook Testimonial slider will be displayed. Both device sliders will be visible on desktop and mobile. Desktop-only slider will appear only on computers and laptops. Mobile-only slider will appear only on phones and tablets. None slider will not appear anywhere, effectively hidden. When autoplay is enabled, the slider scrolls automatically. Adjust the autoplay speed to control how fast it moves. Enable loop to make the slider continuously cycle. Show dots enables navigation dots below the slider for easy slide switching. Show arrows enables left and right arrows for smooth navigation between slides. For styling, select arrow color as either Inherit, to use your theme's default color, or Custom to choose your own. You can also set a custom arrow color and a custom arrow background color for complete design control. Use arrow position to control where the navigation arrows appear. Middle. Arrows appear on the center left and center right sides of the slider. Bottom. Arrows appear lower on the slider area, aligned toward the bottom. Match the Facebook testimonial section to your store's branding with color schemes including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can add multiple blocks, including Advanced Double Button, Caption, Description, Double Button, Icon, Icon with Text, Image, Single Button, Subtitle, and Title. Each block comes with its own customization options. To begin adding a Facebook testimonial, click Add Block inside the section and select the testimonial block. You can start by adding the author's name, which appears as the identity of the customer giving the testimonial. Inside the Facebook testimonial block, you can fully customize how each testimonial appears to match your brand style and storytelling needs. Enable or disable the verified badge to highlight trusted or confirmed customers, helping increase credibility. Add a time-posted value to show when the review was shared, creating a sense of freshness and real engagement. Write or edit the post content to display the main testimonial message or customer feedback text. You can also enhance visual storytelling by adding a post image or video, making the testimonial more engaging and expressive. If using video, upload a video thumbnail to ensure it displays properly before playback and maintains a clean layout. Customize the reaction icons to visually represent engagement, such as likes, love, or other social reactions. Upload a profile image to add authenticity and make testimonials feel more human and relatable. Add reaction text to display engagement count or emotional feedback, reinforcing social proof. Finally, include comment content to simulate real Facebook interaction and make the testimonial section feel more active and community-driven. To add comments, start by clicking Add Block once again and selecting the comment block from the list. Once added, you can customize each comment to make it look authentic and engaging. You can enter the author's name to identify who is commenting and build a real conversation feel. Upload a profile image to visually represent the commenter and increase trust. Enable the verified badge to highlight authentic or trusted users and improve credibility. Add a time-posted value to show when the comment was made, helping create a realistic timeline of engagement. Finally, write the comment text to display the actual message or feedback from the user. And that's it. Your Facebook testimonial section is now fully set up and ready to build trust with your customers. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.